Good morning students, this is Rahul sir and you are most welcome in Mindwork classes. Today we are going to study about classification of triangles with the help of angles. So first one is acute angle triangle. Okay, acute angle triangle. We also know that what is acute angle. What do we know about acute angle? Any angle which is less than 90 degree. Okay, less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. Okay, acute angle. So the angle, that triangle which has all the angles less than 90 degree are known as acute angle triangle. Okay, all that angles are less than acute angle 90 degree, that is acute angle triangle. Okay, like this one. Okay, these are acute angle triangles. In this case all the angles must be less than 90 degree. Okay, so these type of triangles are known as acute angle triangle. Next one is right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is if one angle of any triangle is 90 degree. If one angle of any triangle is 90 degree, then this type of triangle is known as right angle triangle. Okay, like this. Okay, so here we see that these angles are 90 degree angles. So these type of angles are known as right angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle, that means any triangle which has one angle greater than 90 degree. Look at this one. This angle is greater than 90 degrees. So any triangle which has only one, because more than 90 two angles not possible. Okay, so any triangle which has one obtuse angle, that is obtuse angled triangle. So this is classification of angles. Now let's talk about perimeter of a triangle. This is very simple thing. What is a perimeter of triangle? I have already told you perimeter. Perimeter. Listen, this is peri and meter. Peri means circumference, outer circumference. So this meter means measurement. So outer measurement. Perimeter means outer measurement. That means if you want to find out the perimeter of any triangle, what do? We will add all the length of the sides. So let us say this is A, this is B and C. So perimeter of triangle, let us say this is A, B and C points. So perimeter A, B, C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. So sum of all the sides. Perimeter is sum of all the sides is known as perimeter of any triangle. Okay, so let's come to the exercise. First question, this is name the element in each triangle. I have already told you all the elements about any triangles. So let's come to the question number 3. Measures of the three angles of different triangles are given. Classify triangles as acute, obtuse or right angle. So I just told you about the type of triangle with respect to angle. So these the third question will be solved with the help of this concept. So first one is 45, 76, 59. 45, 76 and 59. Please look at this one. All three angles are different. Again, all three angles are less than 90 degree. All three angles are less than 90 degree. Hence, this triangle is acute angle triangle. Okay, this triangle is acute angle triangle. Similarly, second part, 92, 38, 50. 92, 38 and 50. Look at this one. this is not equal to 90, this is 92, and if the angle is 92, that means greater than 90. If the angle is greater than 90, that means this is obtuse angle, this is obtuse angle. So this triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. Similarly, third part is 60, 30, 90. 90, that means we are having one angle 90 degree. That means this angle is right angled triangle. Okay, so now we understand all these things and we can solve the question number 3. Similarly, come to the question number 4. Measure the of three sides of different triangles are given. Classify them as equilateral, isosceles and scalene. First question, look at the first question, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The sides are given 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Look at this one, 3, 4 and 5. These all three sides are different. All three sides are different. So which type of triangle this is? This is a which type of triangle? Scalene triangle. Okay. Now next one, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Again look at this one, 8, 6, 8. Here we find that two sides are equal. Here what do we have? Two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then which type of triangle this one is? This one is isosceles triangle. Okay. Now let's come to the fourth part of this one, 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. So all three sides are same. So this triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay. Now fifth question. The angles are given and we have to find out that these are equilateral, isosceles and scalene. Okay. Please understand here. I have already told you that for equilateral triangle, all the angle must be equal to exactly 60, 60, 60. Nothing less, nothing more. If any triangle is equilateral triangle, all three angles must be equal to 60, 60 and only 60. Not 45, not 50, not 70, nothing. Only 60, 60 and 60. For isosceles triangle, for this one, angles can be two angles can be some equal and the third one should be separate, different. Okay, so first one, 45, 90 and 45. 45, 90, 45. Again look at this, these two angles are the same, so this one is isosceles triangle. 60, 30, 90, 60, 30, 90, all three angles are different, so this one is scalene triangle. 60, 60, 60, equilateral triangle. 30, 30, 120, this one is isosceles triangle. You can solve these type of questions. So complete the exercise 6.1. Thank you.